Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome everyone to the Mechanical Engineering Department. I am Engineer Dr. Maftoor Rahman Siddiqui. I am Head of Department at the Mechanical Engineering. I did my doctorate from the University of Strathclyde from the United Kingdom. I am a Chartered Engineer at the Institute of Mechanical Engineering IET UK, and I am a Professional Engineer here at Pakistan Engineering Council. The Department of Mechanical Engineering offers degrees in undergraduate and graduate programs. In undergraduate, we have BSc in Mechanical Engineering. In the graduate programs, we have Masters of Sciences in Mechanical Engineering and Masters of Sciences in Engineering Management. The BSc Mechanical Engineering program is of 4 years, where in the first 2 semesters you will learn about the basic principles of mathematics and physics and chemistry, and also we will work on your communication skills as well. After which, the next of the 6 semesters, you will be studying about different aspects of not only mechanical engineering such as fluid mechanics and solid mechanics, like how the fluid flows around an F1 racing car or a JF-17 Thunder, but also about the structural integrity of these components. For example, gears which are used in different sports cars or in heavy machinery equipment. So in your final semester, you will be learning about advanced courses of mechanical engineering, and with that you will be also doing your internship in the industries, where you will be visiting and performing different sort of tasks. So that would be on-job training, and all of these things would be during your degree. We will teach you how to apply your knowledge to solve the real-world problems. With that, you will also do your final year project, in which you will solve a problem which is related to the community and to the society or to the industry which you would have done your internship in. At the Mechanical Engineering Department, we also have extremely close relationship with the industry. So we have almost 4 trips per semester to the industry. So you would have several contacts with the industry, which would obviously help you to gain practical knowledge and also to get jobs after your degree. We have state-of-the-art manufacturing lab as well, which has state-of-the-art CNC machines, coordinate measuring machines, EDM wire cutters. Most of you might not know what these things are, but if you Google them, you will know that any university in the UK would have similar sort of facilities, not advanced compared to us. Well, another good news for you is that Mechanical Engineering Department at Seacoast University is the only OBE accredited department along with GIK Institute. What does this mean for you? This means that only GIK and Seacoast mechanical engineering students can actually go abroad. They can do jobs abroad, and they don't need any other tests to go for those sort of jobs. And they can even apply for immigration. This is because of Washington Accord, which is signed by Pakistan Engineering Council. So this is a huge add-on which you can get if you join the Mechanical Engineering Department. We also work on creativity and entrepreneurship of the students. So we do have a lot of success stories, these attributes as well. And we don't just work on the Talim bit, we also work on the Tarbiyat bit of the students as well. So they are good human beings and they can actually work in the society. Our students even currently are developing their own products, and some of them are working in incubation centers, the national incubation centers which are there, and they are actually marketing their own products. So they are not just looking for the jobs, but actually developing their own businesses. This is what we train them for. So if you have any queries, do visit our website. You would be happy to know about our projects which we are currently doing.